Hello lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bee's Global Kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make Ghanaian peanut butter soup. These are all the ingredients I'll be using for this soup. First and foremost, I've got my veggies here which have already been washed. My tomatoes, garlic, cloves, my ginger, habanero pepper, my onions, one aubergine, my tomato paste, my roasted fish, very important ingredient for me when I'm making peanut butter soup. I have my chicken cube here, my all-purpose seasoning, some cloves powder, I have some anise seed there as well. My anise seed, I've got my peanut butter, very important ingredient when making peanut butter soup, my salt, and of course my beautifully washed chicken. Yes, and lastly I have some mushrooms. Yes guys, these are the only ingredients I will be using for this soup. Let's get all this together. First and foremost, I will blend 2 of the onions, my habanero pepper, my garlic cloves, my ginger, and my anise seeds together to season my chicken. My seasoned chicken is cooking, so at this stage I will go ahead and get my peanut butter ready. So my peanut butter is looking rock solid. So what I will do now is that I will go in with hot water, give it a good mix and get it cooking. I'm cooking my peanut butter on the side. This is how I do my peanut butter soup. I like to cook the peanuts separately. This is because I want it to be properly cooked. And if your peanut is well cooked, you are able to get the oil that you want on top of your soup, making it look very delicious. I will leave my peanuts on the side and go check on my chicken. Okay guys, so this is how my chicken is looking. It's not fully cooked yet, so while it's almost done, I will go in with the rest of my veggies, and I mean my onions, my tomatoes, and my tomato paste. So this is how it's looking now. It's well cooked at this stage. This is how the peanut looks when it's well cooked. The oil settles on top. So my chicken is well cooked. I'll go ahead and transfer my cooked peanut butter into my chicken as well. Give it a good mix and blend the remaining veggies. Yeah, I've noticed my soup is slightly thick, so I'll go in with a bit of water. Remember, I don't want it to be very light, neither do I want it to be very thick. So I've added some water to it to a good consistency that I am happy with. So as my soup is almost done, it's time for me to go in with my final ingredients, which are my aubergine, my mushrooms, and my roasted fish. Remember to taste for salt and seasoning. Alright guys, so this is how my soup is looking. Now I can tell you my soup is ready, and I will be having this with fufu today. Remember that you can have this peanut butter soup with rice balls, you can have it with rice, you can even have it with banku, but today I am having it with fufu. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.